They're everywhere.
Oh, this is...
What's that? Big box. From G-Ma.
From G-Ma.
Whoa, G-Pa. Cool.
That's for Joshie. You want to help Joshie open it?
That's for Joshie.
Let's go over by Joshie and open it. Help him open it.
Help Joshie open it, buddy. Okay.
Hi, Joshie. It's for Joshie, baby. Wow.
Curious George. Whoa.
So sleepy. What that, Joshua?
Whoa.
Oh, no, that's not for you. That's for Daddy.
I can't read yet, so.
Give Daddy his present. Give Daddy the present you picked out for him. That's okay. You want to open it for Daddy?
Open it for Daddy.
This is for Daddy.
This is the best opening I've ever had. Get it, Jacob. Whoa. Thank you, Jacob. What is it?
Remember you got that for Daddy?
All right.
Daddy. Merry Christmas.
Cool. Pajamas. Awesome. Thank you.
Jacob he wanted purple for Daddy, remember?
All right. Good job, Jacob.
Daddy.
Yes.
Come on, let's open this one.
What's that one, dude? Help mommy open it.
Oh.
Hurry up.
It's from G-Ma and G-Pa.
Oh, I know what this one is, yeah. Whoa, what's that?
Cars.
You like cars?
Whoa.
That's cool. It's a racetrack. Really cool.
Thank you, G-Pa.
Say thank you, Jacob.
Oh, wait, Jacob, Jacob made this for Mommy and Daddy? Okay, you want to open it for us? Or was this for Jacob?
No, it's for us. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, Daddy, Mommy, happy holiday. Look, who's that?
Honey. I'll put it on, I don't care. I'm fine with that. But is YouTube ready for it?
Jacob, one more.
Whoa, what's that? What is that? That's really cool, Jacob. You like that? All right. That's for Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy got that for you.
Garbage truck.
Yay, garbage truck. Very cool. Whoa.
Garbage.
Is it one of those ones that's bolted down?
Probably.
Cool.
Whoa. Garbage truck. Whoa. Garbage.
Here you go, Jacob.
Whoa.
Pretty cool, buddy. You like that, Jacob? Whoa! What's in there? Does it come with garbage?
No, it comes with a trash can. Undo the trash can.
Whoa! Jacob, you're not supposed to do that. Jacob. Jacob. Jacob, come here.
Show Daddy the garbage truck so he can show you how to use it.